How to delete Discord account permanently? For this, first of all, you have to open Discord app on your device. Now tap on your profile in the bottom right corner and go to the settings option on the top right corner. After that, you can see the option of account. Now scroll down and tap on delete account and tap on OK. Now go back and tap at the search button. You can search someone special whom you want to transfer the account before you delete it. But if you do not have any of the such member, go back and click on overview and scroll down and on very button go to the delete server and click on yes. Now again go to your own profile option, tap on account and then scroll down until you find delete account. And this way, after you click on that, you can see a screen like this where you have to click your password and all the other details necessary before you delete the account. So when you click your password and click on OK, your very Discord account will be deleted permanently. Thank you for watching our video and please do subscribe our channel.